Hi everyone, welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My name is Lisa Curcio. I'm here today to talk to you about the new Take Your Pick Up tool. This is a fantastic addition to the Stampin' Up tools. This pickup tool has a tacky end here underneath the cap. Now, it's real important that you don't twist the cap. You're just going to pull it straight off. There's a tacky putty here on the end that's going to make it so easy to pick up those small items. I've got some small punched pieces here. Normally you would try with your fingers to pick them up and it's really difficult. But with the pickup tool, it's really simple. The smallest of things can be picked up, and they can be picked up again once the glue is in place to adhere them to your projects. It works great even for sequins. I know with an assortment like this that sometimes I'm hunting and pecking for a specific color. Now I can easily pick them up and put them back. The pickup tool is dual-ended. On the other side, there is a protective cap and there's a spatula. This is great for getting up underneath items like rhinestones and pearls that have glue dots already on the back to adhere them to your projects. Go ahead and pull out the other end by unlocking the mechanism. There is an indication here for the unlock and the lock. So you're just going to turn this and slide this out and you have the most perfect paper piercing tool. Simply lock it back in place to ensure that it doesn't come loose. Well, the great part is it also comes with another accessory. So we'll go ahead and unlock that and remove this, and we've got a dual-ended stylus tool. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that in, and then we're going to lock it again. One side is large and the other side is smaller. Great for scoring everything from designer series paper to cardstock. The other great thing about the pickup tool is it comes with a refill. So when the tacky putty is already gone, all you have to do is unscrew this and place the new one in its place, and then you're good to go. The refills are really inexpensive and you're going to get them in a 2-pack. This product will be featured in the brand new holiday catalog with Stampin' Up that comes out on September 5th. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you're interested in receiving copies of both the annual and the holiday catalog, I'd be more than happy to send them to you. Just leave me a comment below. This new pickup tool is going to make picking up these small pieces a lot easier, especially as we design our holiday cards. Thanks for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip.